All right, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, guys, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about Litecoin. We're gonna talk about Icon, ICX, and all that good stuff, guys. We're gonna talk about GRT, Omizago, XLM, Wi-Fi, Band, and all that good stuff. Because most of those setups are looking to break out massively to the upside, especially XLM. Okay, so XLM and Band going to be hot over the next like a few days and so on. So something to basically keep in mind going forward, right? So we're gonna take a look at all those good stuff, guys. So make sure to hit the likes, subscribe to the channel. We almost at 4,000 subscribers right now, guys. Over 4,000 actually, right? So I also gave you guys a Tron update, I think like yesterday, right? 13 hours ago. We talked about Tron breaking out to the upside. In our premium, we've been accumulating Tron under 100 sats, just like we've been accumulating Filecoin, right around like $22, $24. We said just suck it up and sucker gonna moon like over to $100, and we hit target exactly as we've been expecting. And Filecoin, if you guys requesting Filecoin, we're gonna talk about it, right, and all that good stuff, right? Because sucker, it is still pretty bullish. Okay, Kava, it is up 20%. We talked about like 2 days ago, guys. Kava, AirSwap, and Icon going to be pumping to the upside. Just about 3 days ago, also, guys, we talked about Wing, we talked about Carbon Network, Radar Network, and all that good stuff. They blasted off. So you're getting one of the best setups in the crypto space. So make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, join the public Telegram group, link in the description, and all that good stuff. Okay, guys. So now before we talk about GRT, Omizago, XLM, and all that good stuff, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day basis and what we've been anticipating over the last few days and so on, right? So guys, hit the likes, right, subscribe, join the public Telegram group. So Bitcoin, when you take a look at it right here, so we basically got a nice support from the 21 EMA, as we've been saying since January. We said as long as we above the 21 EMA, I'm gonna be bullish, and I'm not gonna be shorting any assets. Okay, none, zero, data, nothing. Okay, I'm not gonna short none of these suckers, right? So since like 30K, sucker basically doubled in price from 28 all the way up to like a 61. Okay, most bears been shorting the sucker from like a 30K, and basically they get wrecked and all that good stuff, right? So now what are we looking for going forward is like, can we break above 60K? Yes, we can break above 60K. Are we gonna break it right now? I don't think like we're gonna break it right now, because we still need basically our MACD right here on the 2-day basis to flip bullish. Okay, once we flip bullish on our MACD, right, meaning like MACD crossing the signal line right here and sucker above like just about 60K, we could see a very explosive move going into Q2. We're already into Q2. We've been expecting BTC to close above 58. Sucker, basically already above 60, 58 in Q2, right? So that's a good move like going forward. So we just need to close above like 58, 59 before end of the week, like before the 7 days close right here. We're gonna close the 7 days like in a couple of hours, right? Few hours. We're gonna close the 7-day cycle actually today, right? So cycle open on the 26th, right? On the 2nd. Okay, we're gonna close it on the 2nd right here. So we got like just about 24 hours. If we close the 7-day cycle above 58, that's going to be explosive. Okay, going to be explosive going into like the 50-day cycle opening. Okay, 50-day cycle, once again, it is gonna open like on the 10th, on the 11th, right? Something to keep in mind. We already got a 50-day cycle reversal right here. So sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, bears, once again, they still waiting for the weekly 21. I don't know if they're gonna get it, guys. It is not gonna be easy. I don't think like bulls gonna be giving up, right? Giving up this range of low 50K and let the price drop. Try to let the price drop below like a 40K and all that good stuff. Okay, I don't think it is going to be easy, but anything can happen, and you know, it is crypto. All right, so now let's go ahead and hey, what's up, K for Liberty? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hey, what's up, Crit? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot, successful investor. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Make sure to hit the likes. We got 30 watching. 10 likes is basically, guys, it is a very low ratio. 10 likes, 30 watching. When I'm giving you some 10x moves, guys, give you guys you know, BNB, give you guys you know, Filecoin. I'm giving you guys one of the best setups. Okay, give you guys ADA. Okay, all these suckers basically 10x. Okay, and we're still waiting for our Tezos to basically 20x. Right, we're looking for, like, you know, $80 Tezos. Okay, believe me, guys, we're gonna get there. It is just a matter of time. When I was calling for Filecoin, $200, $400, guys, Filecoin was like under $30, $22. We bought it at the bottom, guys. I just have to say it, guys, because I'm giving you one of the best analysis. Okay, if you did not make profit off of Filecoin call, it's okay. Okay, we got some crazy targets coming up. We got Band. Okay, Band is you know, we're gonna talk about Band, right? It is gonna be one of the top pick you know, going forward, especially you know, before the breakout and all that good stuff, right? So BTC is looking very juicy. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 6 hour time frame. So 6 hour, we're not looking extremely dangerous right now in terms of bullishness, right? So we're getting a lot of wicks to the upside. So if we get any dips, right, we could be looking for support down to the 6 hour 100 EMA, which is just about like mid 55. Okay, that's a short-term target, just in case we do not break above like a 59, right? We could be retesting the 50% to a 0.618 pullback. Let's double check right here. Yeah, 50% pullback going to be just about 55. Okay, you know, before the next leg up. That's possible. Okay, it could be a week or anything, so be cautious if you're leveraging the sucker right there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum pretty much following Litecoin, as we said right here on our triangular formation. Ethereum is pretty bullish, right? We got a slight rejection right here, a beautiful bull flag, broke above it. So if BTC wants to basically dip down to a 50 mid 55, definitely Ethereum could be dropping back down to the you know, 1750 1850 area, just to retest the 211 EMA slash 100 EMA, right, depending on volatility before the next leg up. So Ethereum looking pretty juicy, and that's what we've been anticipating. We had two scenarios, right? We said the first scenario, which is going to be our priority, going to be the triangular formation. If we dip it, we can get a, you know, flat correction. It is still going to be okay, but the directional move for Ethereum, it is a buy, it is not a sell. Okay, and we pretty much looking good for Ethereum going forward. Okay, upside potential we're going to be looking for, once again, 2350. We called it long time ago, but you know, sucker decided to move sideways since like when, right here, February 20th till now, almost like 40 days, guys. 40 days, guys. Ethereum been moving sideways. The next move cannot be a 2 days breakout. It could be at least, you know, a 10 days to a 15 days breakout. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Ethereum is extremely juicy. All right, so now let's go ahead and move on to the move on to a GRT. So GRT, we're gonna talk about it on a low degree, right? So as you can see, GRT looking pretty juicy. Also a nice top formation right here, below it. Now sucker is creating a beautiful channel right here, right? That's the same channel. Okay, most of the crypto right now are creating, right, most of the alt, they're creating the same type of channel, right? Litecoin got the same channel yesterday, right here, the you know, the bull flag right here. So I'm looking for a breakout to the upside, and could be potentially going all the way up to 2.6 2.8 range. Okay, so GRT, it is looking pretty jullish. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at OMG. So OMG, BTC, it is looking pretty nice. I like the let's go ahead and take a look at OMG on a 3-day basis first, right? So guys, check out the pin, right? I'm going to talk about all this alt, and I'm going to take a look at your super target requests and all that good stuff, right? So OMG, it is still under accumulation. I don't think it is the breakout we need to basically go to the moon. So our target was 14,000, 15,000 in our premium. We said OMG right here, you know, it is gonna be a buy. We still got a target to the upside up to like 25,000. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a little secret, right? OMG and ETHEREUM, they got similar timing. So if just by trading ETHEREUM, you can basically know what's OMG gonna be doing. Just by trading OMG, you can basically anticipate ETHEREUM, you know, ETHEREUM pattern. So just keep that in mind, right? Both of these suckers had a similar pattern even back in 2017. If you traded the market like back in 2017, when both of these suckers were like under $9, $7. Okay, I was basically buying these suckers, you know, back then at that level. Okay, and we back to the same exact level in dollar value, right? So we're going to be looking to break 14,000, 15,000. So MACD, it is still not that aggressive. Okay, we looking good. Okay, price action above the 21 EMA, but what we need to see, we want to see MACD above the histogram, right? And by then we could get price action above the 100 EMA, which is above like 15k, okay, 15,000 sats, and the rest going to be a moonshot. Okay, easy ride after, you know, above 15,000, 16,000. Okay, so no need to rush with OMG. Okay, so we're going to be looking for 23,000, and after that almost like 50,000 to 60,000 all the way up, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at XLM. So XLM, I like the XLM setup. I told you guys XLM, you know, XLM and ADA, they got similar structure. I said it back then right here. I know XLM moves very, very slow, right? However, guys, once we get this sucker going, right, it is going to be it could move faster than a Filecoin. I'm just telling you guys, the accumulation range from XLM, guys, since like 2019, August 2019, you can see like over like 600 days, guys. Okay, over 600 days we've been accumulating. So when we're gonna get the pump, we're not gonna pump for one day. Okay, you cannot accumulate for 600 days, right? And then basically just pump for like a 1 day and stuff like that. The pump could be like over 90 days or even like 120 days, right? Something to just keep in mind. And we're gonna be looking for 3,000 to the upside right here, just like what we did with 88, right? Remember, guys, 88, we've been accumulating 88 from 700, 800, 900 sats, and we took it all the way up to 3,000. That's what you get with Send Crypto. That's what you get with Send Crypto, guys. Okay, so 88 basically, and XLM, beautiful pattern. So XLM, you take a look at the volume right here, guys. That's so beautiful, man. When this guy pump, it's gonna pump massively. Okay, take a look at right here what we got right here. We call this move, guys, bang. We call the second move right here, bang. Okay, so now we're calling for the next explosive move, okay, versus BTC, just to get to like 1600 sats. We're looking at 150% gain versus BTC. Guys. And if BTC pumps like, let's say, you know, goes to like 100k, guys, you're looking for like nearly 400% gain in dollar value, right? So beautiful setup, both versus BTC, right, and versus the dollar. But in today's content, we're just gonna stick with the BTC pairing, right? So next coin we're gonna take a look at, it is going to be a band. Let's go ahead and take a look at band before we talk about it. We're going to talk about Litecoin last, okay? Band BTC. This is for K4 Liberty, right? Band BTC. band is available on Coinbase. Beautiful setup right here, just like ADA at the bottom. Okay, nice move. Kind of look like a fake out right here. Wick to the downside. It is a very aggressive setup. However, you know, if we get the sucker to play out beautifully, right, I don't think we're gonna retest it, but who knows. Okay, if we break above this range of like a 35,000 sats, we could be basically looking to break above like 130,000 sats right there, which is like August high. Okay, the only basically a downside regarding this setup is like we basically did not retest the March lows. That's the only thing. Okay, but since like market is extremely bullish, I think like, you know, bears gonna give up and we're gonna break above the 100 EMA right here, which is just about like 32,000 sats, and sucker could be mooning after that, right? Short-term resistance just about like 60,000 sats, right? And you know, you can go back and watch it later on. Okay, 60,000 sats right here, and then next upside target basically 140,000 sats. Okay, beautiful setup. Hopefully we can get it throughout the Q2. If not, we could get it like in Q3. Okay, something to just keep in mind. The most important is like the trend could be up. That's the most important. How long it takes, no one can basically predict it, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. So if you go to if you take a look at Wi-Fi, I'm loving the setup. Oh, guys, this guy is so beautiful, man. I haven't taken a look at the BTC Wi-Fi BTC for a while, right? So that's why we did not talk about it, right? But this guy is so beautiful, man. Like, take a look at the wedge pattern. Okay, in crypto, do not play with these wedge patterns. Okay, if you see a wedge pattern, don't short it, because they're going to be breaking out. Okay, they're going to be breaking out. Beautiful setup. On a 3-day basis, we likely to break above the 21 EMA, right, which is like 0.71 BTC right here. Okay, and August high, guys, is right there all the way up to like a 3 BTCs. Okay, so this guy, guys, it is gonna go crazy. Okay, it is gonna go crazy. 3.5 BTC right there. Okay, to 4 BTC, and we got short-term resistance almost at 1.5 BTC right there. Okay, beautiful setup, guys. You could also look at it as a descending triangle, but since like market is so bullish right now, I wouldn't be messing with a descending triangle. Okay, I wouldn't be messing with a descending triangle with a shorts, lower prices, lower prices, lower selling pressure. I wouldn't be shorting it. Okay, even if bears basically manage to dump the price, it's not gonna go that far. Okay, it's gonna basically blast off later on, just like SNX, Uniswap, SXP, and all that good stuff, right? But as of now, I'm gonna stick with the potential reversal up to like 1.5 BTC. All right, something to basically keep in mind, right? So let's go ahead and move on to Litecoin. So Litecoin, LTC, BTC. Let's take a look at LTC, BTC. So Litecoin, it is still struggling. It is not extremely bullish, but I just like the setup. It is a wedge pattern, right? Price action, it is still below the 21 EMA, so it is not that extremely bullish. Okay, so something to just keep in mind. Even though, okay, we could be seeing like a very explosive Litecoin in Q2, we need to break above the 21 EMA. I said it multiple times. Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, as long as they basically staying below the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis and even 2-day basis, we're not going to see a very explosive move. However, what I like about the setup is like the wedge pattern and the low selling volume at the bottom right here. As you can see, selling volume been decreasing since like December 23rd, guys. Remember what happened back in December 23rd? we got a massive sell-off. Okay, that's when altcoin bottom, and we basically spotted it right, you know, at the same exact time, guys. We got the dump. We said that's it, guys. It is time to load up on Filecoin, you know, load up on BNB, load up on EOS, load up on Tron, load up on XRP. So we fully loaded, guys. So all we're doing is just waiting for these suckers to pump, take profit, and put it on the next asset ready to pump. That's it. Okay, that's all we're doing. But we spotted all these moves like over the last 90 days. So everything we're seeing right now, it is nothing but a result of you know, of our basically setups. You know, we basically just sitting tight, relax, and enjoying all this right. That's why when you join the Send Crypto Premium, you're not gonna have time to you're not gonna basically find it hard basically to find a setup, because everything is there. Okay, like KNC, RLC, and all of them, okay, they basically ready to blast off, right? So we've been ready over the last 90 days. So what you need to do, right, hit the likes, subscribe, and join the public Telegram group, link in the description, right? So let's get this crypto, guys. Let's get these suckers, man. Let's get these suckers. So Litecoin, guys, just be cautious if you're extremely bullish on it till we break above the 3-day 21. Okay, it wouldn't be going like crazy in this range. Okay, wouldn't be going crazy. However, guys, I'm bullish on it. I'm just telling you, I'm holding some Litecoin. I want this sucker to break out, but I know I gotta be cautious. Okay, I gotta be cautious and not basically you know, forget about the proper strategy, which is like stay above the 21 EMA, and we could be going to the moon after that, right? So we almost 20 minutes into the live stream, right? 30 minutes, whatever. So let me go ahead and see if you guys have any super target requests. If not, I'm gonna take a look at the some few targets, and we can go back to BTC, right? So let's see. So let's go ahead and take a look at DATA. Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, K for Liberty. I did see it. I don't know why, but it did show up. It did show up. Your tip. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. So I'm gonna. Data still looking good, right? I'm very bullish on it. It just needs to basically get, you know, everything is looking good for data. I don't have anything to basically say. You know, we talk about data when sucker was like 150, right? 150 sats. Right now we at 300 sats. So it is just a hold. Okay, it could face like temporary resistance for 50, 500, and all that good stuff, but the home run target, it is going to be right here, almost 1,000 sats, right? So yeah, let me see. Let me take a look at K4 Liberty. Don't have any requests. Let's see. Hey, what's up, IML? Thanks a lot for tuning in. So let's take a look at. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at these coins. So one BTC, we did hit our target, 4,000 sats, nearly 3,000. We said 39 to 4,000, so it is still a good hold. It is still it could dip back down to like mid 25, right? But it is still a good hold because we got potential move all the way up to 6,000. So one, still a pretty Jewish setup. Okay, so now let's take a look at Nano. So Nano, what we said was like, look for a sideways correction in this box, just like a band before the breakout. So Nano, it is still very bullish, and we could be going all the way up to like a 20,000 sats, right? Right now we're just about like in the 8,000. All right, so pretty bullish. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at XDZ. So XDZ, so XDZ already got the breakout. Exactly, that's what we've been waiting. Okay, we thought like sucker basically gonna be breaking out like from the after the pump to the 21 EMA right here, but we got rejected, got the double bottom. It seems like we got confirmation, got rejected with a low volume at the 3-day 21 EMA right here, lower than the previous sell volume right there. So sucker is ready to blast off. Okay, we got 14,000 target, and after that we're going to take a look at. Okay, so but it looks pretty good going into Q4. Low sell volume, decreasing prices, guys. You know the deal. You know the deal. Okay, you know the deal, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Bella Mia More, and we're gonna call it a day since you guys don't have any other requests. Bell BTC. So Bell BTC, I gave you Bell BTC back in February. I know it is taking it took forever to break out, but you gotta think about it, guys. Sucker pump from like a 2,500 all the way up to basically 7,000. So it needed to take a break, drop back down to 50%, just like just like CRV, TRB, BZRX, SXP, Kava, all of them took a break at the same time from the same exact rejection level, right? Dump down 50%. Now it is just moon time. Okay, it is moon time, right? It is moon time. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, right? So I just wanted to give you guys a short a short video update regarding these regarding these few alt we talk about, right? We talk about basically Wi-Fi, talk about XLM, OMG, GRT, QDM, Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? We also talk about the one chain, Nano, XTZ. Let's go ahead and check out OXT. So OXT still looking very bullish, very good level to be buying. Even if it dips lower, guys, that's going to be great. I want alt to dump right now, to be honest with you guys, because man, I want these suckers to dump so bad, because we got so many great opportunities, guys. Like if they all dump at the same time, it's gonna be bad. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes you want these suckers to dump so you can basically pick them up at the bottom again, right? Most people are gonna be panicking. What I told you guys back in January 7th, I said, guys, I'm extremely bullish on this sucker. Okay, on these suckers. BTC got rejected at 44. What we said was like, anything below 28.5 plus minus 1, it is going to be a good buying opportunity right here, right? And on just about like mid-February, February 14th, suckers started to dump, people started to panic, right? And I said, guys, nothing has changed, guys. We're still bullish, man. Don't worry about BTC. We got Filecoin, we got XTZ, okay, we got Omizago, we got Wi-Fi, we got RLC, we got all these suckers, guys, ready to pump. Okay, so no need to be panicking about BTC dropping 10%, because we're gonna get 400%, we're gonna get 1000% gains and all that good stuff, right? So that's what we do in my premium. So make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, and join my public Telegram group, link in the description, guys. All right, guys, talk to you guys later.